Hey guys, let's do this. So in today's problem, we are given two numbers. The first number is the length of the following array, and the second number is the index of our starting point. So in this case, we have a array like this. And we are starting from index 4 here. So our starting health is 6, and there is a way out at each end of this array, and we need to move our character along in this array. We can move left and right, and when we encounter a number, we will pick it up. For example, if we move here, our health become 3 because the number here is -3, right? And we need to remove that number. So we can do this for any number of times. The final goal is to move out of this array without make our health below 0. So that's it. How are we going to solve this problem? So basically, we are going to break this array into several groups. This array is actually not so good to illustrate our idea because all of the numbers are negative. So let's do this. We change this number to 5, right? So basically, we're going to move left and right, and along the way, there are some groups of numbers. For example, let's change the color to red. These two guys can group together, and their sum is 2, right? If we pick up this group, then our health will increase by 2. And the minimal health for us to pick this group up is -3. So, which means as long as we have health that above -3, we can pick this group up, and the health of our character will increase by 2 by doing so, right? And we can use greedy here because from the starting points, we need to pick up as many as groups like this, right? So at the starting point, there are one group I can pick up, which is this one, and this is a group because there is a way out for this group. So the reward for this group is -6, and the minimal health for us to pick this group up is -6 too, right? We at least need to have 6 health to pick this group up. So for our character, we can pick up this group first, then pick up this group, and that's say way out. So that's it. Let's take a look at our program here. So basically, we are going to record the number of the reward for picking up a group and the minimal health we need to have to for picking up that group. And we start for the left side, we start from k minus 1, and for the right side, we start from k plus 1. And we in these two iteration here, we pick up each of the groups. So as long as the sum of consecutive numbers are bigger than 0, then we call it a group. Right? And the minimum value of the sum in that array is low of that group. So we need to make sure that when we pick up a group, our current health is bigger than the minimal health. And here is where we are trying to pick up all the groups. So in each iteration, we have two options. One is go left, one is go right. And we can repeat this for infinite number of times to and see if we can pick up a way out by pick up those groups. So that's it. Thank you for watching.